How to make unique beats. Use 6 different guitar one-shots. Start with the bass guitar melody. Then add second guitar and make simple melody. For another guitar sound, use slides notes for extra unique sound. Then add electric guitar and make it simple too. For the next guitar, layer the bass melody and add some extra notes. And for the last part of melody, add another electric guitar using simple notes. Drums. Get the sounds behind the tutorial. All drums and one-shots used in this video come from my high-pour drum kit and dark art one-shot kit, available now on my Patreon ice gear. Grab it now and level up your beats. Link in description. Hi-hats. Make it simple and bouncy. Claps. Perk number 1. Perk number 2. Open hats. Perk number 3. Snare. Bass. For the last part of drums, add kicks and you're done. Here is final loop with drums.
Ice gear.